channel. I'm Hasti and our destination today is an incredible place. You're gonna love this. It's a historical village called Shavaz, and yes, it's 95 kilometers away from Yazd. And by the way, we have an incredible thing in here, Eagle Mountain.
I'm not looking at my phone, won't text back, pick up your call. If you wanna hit me up, well I don't really care, 'cause I'm having a house party, not staying up till morning, sleep then I watch a movie. I do what I want, yeah, do what I want, 'cause I'm having a house party.
Guys, we arrived. Yes, and at the beginning, we're here to visit its castle. Goodness, I'm so excited. I really want to visit it. This is kind of the weirdest castle I have ever seen in my life. And let's go. Let's check it out.
Shavaz Castle is the most important attraction and historical monument of this village. This castle is one of the most important and oldest castle in Yazd Province. It was a residential place and a stronghold against attacks by enemies and invaders. Shavaz Castle is built with Sassanid architectural style.
Oh, I'm out of breath. Goodness, I'm so old. Ha 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 ha. This is the oldest castle in Yazd. It dates back to pre-Islamic era at the end of Parthian Empire and the start of Sassanid. Yes, let's go.
It is made of sedimentary rocks and there are steep and dangerous cliffs around it that makes it difficult for the enemy to access it. In fact, Shavaz Castle is made of two materials: clay and mud for the interior and stone parts for exterior view. The castle has three floors: the ground floor for keeping livestock, the first floor for residents, and the second floor for storing supplies. The village is bounded by a mountain in the back and an open plain in the front. And it is one of the oldest villages of Yazd. The old cemeteries in Shavaz or the castle in the village all indicate its old age. There's also some inscriptions found in nearby mountains that dates back to 12,000 years ago. Guys, 12,000 years! Shavaz village has taken its name from the wind. According to what local says, the real name of this village is Shahbad or Shabbad. Bad means wind.
Yes!
As the wind gets stronger at night in this village, the village has become known by that name.
Don't overthink tonight, just gonna dance. Fall for the rhythm, a sonic romance. Porcelain concrete under my feet. City is my club tonight. Hips way under traffic lights. Street talk, glowing neon bright. It's a dance floor in moonlight. New age and life can get crazy. I just sit away like whoop, oh. If I'm too serious, then I might go crazy. I just sit away like whoop, oh. Turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn up the radio, turn up the radio, I let it go. Turn tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. Tie the laces tight on my sneakers. Sync my heartbeat up with the speakers. New age and life can get crazy. I just see the way that woo. If I'm too serious, then I might go crazy. I just see the way that woo. Turn up the radio, I let it go.
Somebody brought me a cassette. I did. And he's in Sassanid slide. Yes, thank you.
Just keep pushing, na na na. Keep it moving, keep it moving, just keep pushing, na na na. Keep it moving,
Goodness.
For so long, I was living my life, oh so wrong. Always numb in my mind, that old on.
Another side of the village is the historical cemetery. This cemetery, which is very old, has a strange and mysterious shape. On top of many graves, thick stones with the height of more than half a meter have been installed.
It's so amazing, guys. Guys, we're here and dug this to find gold and treasure. Seriously? Seriously?
It is not yet known why this stone existed on the graves and what their use was. There is no writing on these graves, and interestingly, none of them are Islamic.
We found some cave! Guys, once some people lived in here.
As it falls out of sight, setting on all the shadows.
Takche! Really? Takche? Chip?
Pulling stars from the night, one by one. Blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light
I did so
on
well.
the dark that I was coming from. It never broke me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go on down. See me for me.
The benefits of being short. What's that?
See me.
People lived in these kind of places. Wow. Takche!
Big Takche.
A big takche. Any way to get there? Oh my goodness, takche!
I get my hopes up every time, and I don't wanna be that down each road to find. I just wish I'd seen the price tag for my heart breaking. Was it worth all that waiting when I always knew just how I felt? Yeah, I'm looking.
Local people say these caves belong to early men. I mean, really? Really? Maybe? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section.
So I don't have to open up, and you don't have to lose my trust. Every time when my eyes get so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash.
Okay guys, our trip. It was awesome. Everything was so good and the sky is gorgeous. I love everything. I hope you liked it too. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, leave me a comment. I love you all guys. See you later. Bye.